My name is Regina Gasheru. I am a JA patron in St. Goerges Girls Secondary School. I'm also a cluster head in the CBD. I was posted in St. Goerges Girls in 2002, and I found the club already in existence. And what attracted me to it is the impact it had on the students. I knew that junior achievement, I came to learn about it even as we went on, is that it is a club that nurtures entrepreneurial skills, prepares students for job readiness, and on top of that, teaches them about financial literacy. Today's experience has been great. In fact, I wish we had more experiences like this. Why? I looked at the students as I brought them in today, and they looked timid, they were scared, but after having a forum with the CEO and even after having gone to the various departments in Citibank, you could actually see the confidence they exuded. So thank you, JA. For Citibank, would not have had a greater experience than what we've had today. It's been great. The hospitality has been good. And on top of that, our students have been able to enter all the departments. And I had quite a number of them even talking about changing their, the thought mind or the set mind that they had on their future careers. And that is already something that you can see Citibank has been able to do. Also, thank you to the CEO and also to the whole team that has been able to put all this together for us to enjoy this day. Thank you very much. I am Regina Gasheru, and I am JA for life.